Yeah.
Both look great.
So, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
So guys, we are checking out implants for breast augmentation and tummy tuck. The implants are for the breasts, not the tummy, by the way. And we are having too much fun, so we thought we'll share the fun with the rest of you. So this is a 450cc sizer. This is a 550 sizer, and they are deciding which one they want to go with. So help us out there. Sizers are these. They're really amazing technology. I know some people like to do computer morphing, but I really don't believe in computer morphing, because this is what you get to see and bring your partner and share it with your partner, and both of you decide. This is a 550 on me, and this is a 450 on me, so you can appreciate. And the sizers are made by implant companies. These are made by Mentor, which is one of the larger implant companies in this country. All implants are made in Texas. I've been to their factory, it's pretty neat. And these sizers are made by them specifically for what we are doing. This takes out much longer than just putting the pictures up on a computer and deciding, but then you know what you're getting. And we want to make sure that we give you what you're gonna get, and you get a good feel for it, and then share it with your spouse, boyfriend, and significant other, and tell me. So
I've actually done the virtual experience before at a different office, but this in real life, you feel the weight.
You feel the weight, right?
You can see it on your body.
Yeah.
But
and the good thing about them is they even put a nipple on it.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Very realistic.
So very realistic. So our plan, you wanna talk about what our plan is and why you're doing this? And
well, I lost about 75 pounds recently within the last year, and I've had a daughter, so my breasts changed. They don't look the same, so I'm a little bit on the unhappy side.
right.
And you lose the volume, so I'm just trying to revamp my body.
Yeah.
And I think this is going to really help me a lot.
Yeah. So our plan here is to do a mommy makeover for her. The most interesting part of the surgery is actually her breasts. She's deciding between the 550 and 450, but I think she's more or less gonna go with the 550. That's what she wants, and that's what we'll try to place in her. And I say try because she's got tubular breasts. Tubular breasts are breasts that are tubular shape. They are elongated. They are much narrower, so you have a lot of vertical excess, but the width is very limited. So we have to do a lift to bring it up here, and in the process I have to remove some breast skin. Once I do that, I may not have enough skin with a 550cc implant, and that's what we've been discussing today. I think we'll get a 450 in there for sure, but 550 may be a little bit too tight. So when I have conversations with my patients, it's a very frank conversation. I treat my patients exactly the same way as I treat my family, and I say I'll do the best I can do for you, but I may have to put a 450, I may have to put a 500 or 550, and I'll put a sizer in there. We'll staple everything after the skin is cut and lifted, and if it can accommodate a 450 or a 500 or 550, I'll go. I know what you want. You want this. Now I know what you want. Okay? And how about the tummy? Should we share the tummy too? Maybe? Okay. If you don't feel comfortable, that's
okay.
Fine. Okay. So let's look at the breast shape with a nipple cover. Her, not me. Right?
Okay.
Okay, so these are her breasts. These are tubular shaped breasts. As you can appreciate, they come together, they're narrower. Typically the distance from the nipple to the mammary fold is actually limited. And as you can see, we only have like 5 centimeters. Ideally, they should come here. They're narrower, they're tubular shaped. And the first thing I have to do in her case is to lift them up. Once I lift them up and make them rounder, they'll be this size, and there isn't that much skin to go to 550. Perhaps there will be, but we'll see. We'll put the sizers in, and then we'll see what your skin will accommodate.
I trust you.
Thank you. Okay.